Welcome to your meditation for migraine relief. Before we begin, may I suggest that you have a drink of water and have some close by, because you might have a migraine due to dehydration. Make yourself as comfortable as possible. Pop a folded towel or a pillow under your knees to take pressure off your lower back, and pop a pillow under your head to take the pressure from your neck. Supporting your body in this way will help you to soften and relax. Close your eyes and let's begin with some calming breaths. If you are in pain, your breathing might be a little erratic. And that's okay, it is understandable. But what you want is to slow down your breathing rhythm. And the way that you can do that is by giving it some attention. Feel it come into your nose and out through your nose. If you need to mouth breathe, that's okay too, but it is healthier to inhale and exhale through your nose. But just do your best. Breathing in and breathing out. If you notice any thoughts arising in your mind during the meditation, or that the migraine is distracting you, just come back to noticing your breathing. Breathing easy and no resistance to your migraine being here. Aware that it is there, but you are just going to breathe and notice the discomfort wherever it is. No resisting, no fighting it, just letting it be. You might find with this non-resistance and just allowing it to be that your shoulders can drop, and maybe there's a little bit more relaxation through your body. Now angle your closed eyes gently downwards towards your belly and allow them to become heavy in their sockets. Give your weary mind a rest. Just breathing nice, easy breaths. If you are able to, take longer breaths, ones that make your belly rise, or at least aim to do that. No pressure, no stress whatsoever. This is a soothing, easy time for you. Breathe as long and rhythmic as you can. Eyes roll downwards towards your belly. Feeling very heavy in your entire body as you breathe. Flat against the floor or your bed. Allowing your shoulders to drop even more. Your entire body feeling heavy against the flat surface. Allowing every muscle in your body to relax. Any discomfort is being released on your exhales. Just let the pain subside on its own accord. It can be released if you breathe, relax, and allow your heavy body to be held by the horizontal surface, letting go, relax, breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and softening your body even more on your exhale. With your next breath in your own time, imagine that your breath is going all the way down to your feet. Yes, it's going to your belly, which is gently rising and falling, but it continues onto your feet. Gently take your awareness there too, breathing all the way down to your feet. With your next breath in, bend your knees so that the soles of your feet are against the flat surface. And breathing in again all the way down to your feet. Stay relaxed and soft. All the tension in your mind is drifting out as you focus on your feet, focus on your breathing, and relaxing and softening as much as possible. Feel the soles of your feet against the bed or the floor. Breathing in and breathing out. Now imagine your entire body is breathing. Breathing in, your body easily and gently expands, taking up more space, opening, expanding, allowing any tension to be released. No longer holding on. On your exhales, your body easily and softly drops, gently taking up even more space as you breathe in, and gently dropping as you breathe out. Eyes are closed and settled downwards. Your neck is very soft. Your tongue resting easily in your mouth. Breathing, aware of your feet again. Breathing, soft hands. Breathing, soft belly. Letting out a ah sound. Breathing easy. Your head is very heavy against your pillow. Heavier and heavier, releasing all discomfort. Releasing the discomfort through your breathing. breathing out, letting it all float away. Awareness down to your feet, out of your mind, breathing, softening, letting go of all the tension in your body, letting out another ah. Take one more deep breath in and let go with another ah. Stay here for as long as you need. I hope you can drift off into a soothing sleep. But if you need more support, there is a link on your screen to a meditation called Breathe, Settle, Calm, Relax. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.